Watch what happens inside your body the moment ginger enters. Most people have no idea what this tiny root can really do. Watch how ginger enters the body and instantly begins its powerful journey through your system. As ginger reaches the stomach, its active compounds start activating digestion from the very first drop. Microscopic nutrients from ginger flow through the intestines, boosting your bloodstream with natural energy. Ginger's nutrients spread across every organ, fueling your body with warmth, vitality, and balance. Ginger sharpens your focus, feeding your neurons, boosting clarity, and awakening your mind. Ginger delivers fast nutrient support, relaxing muscles, easing tension, and restoring strength. Ginger nurtures your gut microbiome, supporting smoother digestion and a healthier, balanced core. Feel the rise. Ginger sends a wave of natural energy through your entire body. Here are the most effective and safest ways to use ginger in your daily routine. Start with small amounts, especially if your stomach is sensitive. About half a teaspoon of fresh grated ginger is often enough. You can add it to warm water, herbal tea, or even mix it with lemon and honey for a soothing drink. For digestion, the best time to consume ginger is 20 to 30 minutes before a meal, helping your stomach prepare and reducing bloating. If you're using it for energy or focus, try consuming ginger in the morning when your metabolism is naturally rising. You can also add ginger to meals, stir-fries, soups, smoothies, or salads. Just remember that raw ginger is stronger, while cooked ginger is gentler. If you feel any irritation or discomfort, reduce the amount or take it with food. And always stay consistent. Small daily doses of ginger are far more effective than large occasional ones. Use it wisely, listen to your body, and let ginger support your health naturally.